And then number 6 says if PA is 15. So I'm going to put in 15 on this one. And then AR is 8. And I want to go ahead and highlight the right triangle formed by ARP and notate the right angle from the point of tangency of A. What can I do to find, for this one it's asking us PS. Well, before we find PS, don't we need to find PR? Yeah, by Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and try that. We have 8 squared plus 15 squared is equal to, I'm just going to call it x squared. Although wasn't this one basically one of our triples? Yeah? What was our triple? Did someone say 17? 15? I think it was 8, 15, 17. If you want to use Pythagorean, go for it. We'll still get 17. So if this whole thing is 17, and we know this is 8 and that is also 8. 17 minus 8 will be how many? 9. So PS will be 9. Now let's look at number 7. For number 7, I want you to highlight something else. It says RPQ. Okay, let's go to highlight that. RPQ. And then just because I'm thinking ahead, I think I want to highlight something else. As a whole, highlight our tangent AP and CP. It says RPQ is 35. So RPQ is 35. This whole thing is 35. Okay, I'm going to zoom in quite a bit. That 35, I'm going to get rid of the 9 just because 35 does, so it doesn't look so confusing. Okay, let's analyze something real quick. When you're looking at this figure, and I want you to only look at this figure that I'm going to show. All right, right here. Would you agree this angle is congruent to that angle? So I'm going to call that one X and X. Because we have an ice cream cone, right? And we know these two sides are congruent, and through the center, it must be bisected. Okay? So now I'm going to hide the other one. So here I have the ice cream cone. Would you agree these two are also congruent? So I'm going to call that Y and Y. So put in the following. The 35 given is the sum of the X and Y. Is that true? When I do X plus Y, that gives me 35. And the question is asking us to find the angle APC. APC has 2 Y's and 2 X's. What do I need to do with this one?
Where?
I have 2 Y's and 2 X's. Multiply by 2. So that's going to give us 70.
7?
70.